everybody, welcome back to a quick episode, but a good episode. Hands on with BLG. I am BLG, I am lefty, and I am righty. Today is another quick easy bar snack day. Hooray, BLG says. You got a bag of chips, corn chips, but you don't want to pay the almost $4 for the little bitty can of Fritos bean dip. I got your ass covered. Yes. Let me open this. I got a 16-ounce can, just basic refried beans, 89 cents. How about this little jar of jalapenos? And I've made this bean dip 4 times so far. I still got this many left, so it lasts a long time. That was like $1.80 or something. But like I said, 5 times so far. You can see how much I still got. A shitload. I got a little bit of sugar. We'll get into all the rest of the stuff, measurements and stuff in a minute. Got some salt. Got some onion powder. Cayenne pepper. Paprika. And garlic powder. That's what we need. I'm going to open this here can right quick. Right it goes. This is quick and simple. Makes good stuff. Okay, now it's going to open the can. It had to take a practice lap. Alrighty. So, here's our beans. This is quick and easy. I have a food processor. If you don't, you can use a blender. If you got a small blender, big blender, something that'll hold this much stuff. You can actually fine chop the jalapenos real fine. You can do that. Works just as well. Let me grab my measuring spoons. Measuring spoons, BLG. And let's get after the program, shall we? Let's get down to the monkey of the business. Here we go. What we got? We're going to take, I need a knife. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Take my refried beans out of the can. I'm just going to kind of smack some here and smack some there. Get off of the goddamn thing. Go in here. Just like this, I'm going to smack some on each side. There we go. Refried beans are in. Simple, just like that, right? I'll set that out of my way for now. Get out of my way. What's that? Little peckery bastard. Get out of there. Okay, now, I've got that. I'm going to put, probably about 6. That's just a little, give me some pieces of jalapeno. About that big. I want to put about 6 good slices of jalapeno peppers in here. That gives it that little bit of kick. You know what I'm talking about. So that ought to do her. And I want to take some of this here of the liquid right here. I want to take 1 tablespoon of the brine from the liquid. So you're going to add water to this pretty much every time you get done. Just like that. Done with jalapenos. They go behind me. Alright, so I'm going to do that. Then I want the salt. And the salt. Just like this here. I'm going to put a half teaspoon and 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt right in here. This is this quick and this easy. And this is probably the equivalent of 2 cans, which would be damn near $8 fucking of the Frito-Lay dip. It tastes just like it, folks. Trust me on this. So I want this sugar. I want to put a half teaspoon of sugar. Gives it just a touch of sweet. Half teaspoon of sugar. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I want to put, where's my onion powder? I want to put half teaspoon of onion powder in here. Chop it up a little bit. Maybe a little more. I'm going to put just a little more. Just a heaping half teaspoon. And I want to put a half teaspoon of paprika. Maybe just about half teaspoon of paprika, just like that, and that up, get on there. All right, then I'm gonna get my garlic powder. That's the onion powder again. I want my garlic powder, and I want to put the garlic. I want to put a quarter teaspoon garlic powder, about a quarter of a teaspoon, like that. Okay, and then the cayenne pepper, quarter teaspoon cayenne pepper, just like that. There's all our ingredients, folks. Then we just stick our lid on and plug this monkey in the wall and make this monkey dance on high for a couple of seconds. Kind of pulse it. Let it get worked in, don't you know? And take off our lid. And get our lid out of the way. And get our blade out of the way. Kind of scrapey the blade off on the sides, because you can. And kind of cleaning it off here as we go. There we are. Get our blade out of the way like that. Then that can go too. Grab this big spoon, a container, and in we go. Right in here. Can you see? Right? Can you see? Sure you can. Okay. Right in the old container here. Just like so. Look at this. Bit of boom, bit of bam. It's this easy, folks. 2 cans worth of Frito-Lay bean dip for half the money. Well, not even half. For a little bitty bit of the money. Almost $8 or almost $7 compared to like a little bit over $2. I'm going to get just a little bit more of this and I ain't mucking with the rest. That last that little bit. Yeah, pooey. And there you have her, folks. You get your chips and pig out. Frito-Lay bean dip. Get your chips and grab a cold one, folks. It's time to have Fritos bean dip. That easy. So that's all for this episode, and hope you enjoyed it. Make it. Just keep it in the fridge when you get her made. Keep her in the fridge. Well, unless you're eating it, you don't have to get a chip, go to the fridge, open the fridge, dip the chip, put the lid back on, close the fridge, go back, sit down, eat the chip, come back, open the fridge, take the lid off, dip the chip. You don't have to do that. You can take it out and just open it when you're eating it, of course. I know. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the episode. It's a quickie, but it's a good bar snack, quick food. Fuck yeah. I think the next one might be, maybe soon here, I'm going to be making some peanut brittle. Brittle of the peanuts. So anyways, 4 hands on with BLG, 4 BLGI. BLG, the man under the hat. I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. We'll catch you guys in the next episode. Until then, peace out, everybody. Calm down and peace the fuck out. Goodbye. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around